Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's baking episode, we are going to be making pineapple coconut mini cakes. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's start with the ingredients you are going to need. All-purpose flour, coconut flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla extract, butter, eggs, sugar, buttermilk, and crushed pineapple. Next, the first thing we are going to do, we are going to sift together all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Keep in mind, guys, if the recipe calls for sifting the dry ingredients, is very crucial you do that. It helps with the aeration and even mixing of ingredients, also to remove impurities or lumps. Now we're gonna put the sifted dry ingredients in a small bowl, then set aside for later use. Next, in a large bowl, add butter and sugar, beat on high until light and fluffy. The purpose of creaming butter and sugar adds pocket of air to aerate the batter. This air puffs up your baked goods as they bake, giving them a lighter and more appealing texture. Next, add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Adding eggs all at once can cause air pockets to collapse, resulting in a cake with less volume and a denser texture. Once the first egg is well incorporated into the mixture, we're gonna go ahead and add the remaining egg along with vanilla extract, then mix well. Next, stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl. Next, add pineapple and buttermilk and mix well. One thing you are going to notice here, guys, when pineapple and milk are mixed together, the pineapple is going to curdle the milk. The reason the mixture looks curdled is due to the effect of pineapple's bromelain enzyme on milk's casein protein. Next, we are going to add coconut flour and flour mixture, and using a spatula, we gotta fold in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Do not overmix, guys. Mix just until well combined. I'm sure most of you guys who follow me are wondering what's going on with Mama Bui. I haven't been doing well health-wise, guys, but I can assure you we're gonna start posting 3 or 4 videos a week. Also, go to subscribe to my daughter's channel. The link is in the description box. Happy Muncher Traveler. Next, grease the mini cake pan with a non-stick spray. Then we're gonna spoon the batter into the greased baking pan. Fill the mini cups 3/4 full. Now we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. I just pulled the mini cakes out of the oven, guys. Let them cool in a pan for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna invert onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Once the mini cakes are cooled down completely, we're gonna go ahead and fill them with strawberry jam. If you are not a fan of strawberry jam, you are more than welcome to use any jam of your flavor. One thing I love about these mini cakes, guys, is how the pineapple and coconut flavors stand out on this recipe. You get the pina colada flavor for sure. And also the mini cakes are incredibly moist and not overly sweet, which I really love. Next, dust with powdered sugar, and the pineapple coconut mini cakes are ready to be served. I love mine with a cup of tea, guys, or coffee. They are so delicious, guys. This indeed a guaranteed showstopper at any meal or special occasion. The taste of the pineapple will transport you to the tropics. Make sure you double the recipe, guys. You are warned. Let me open one and show you the texture, how they look, guys. Amazing, and they taste so delicious, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.